it's not just specific snakes and spiders that require caution. Our list of top 10 venomous animals includes surprising sea creatures and primates. In nature, animals have developed mechanisms for survival, including the production of chemical toxins. These toxins can be used to incapacitate prey, defend against predators, or both. It's important to differentiate between poisonous animals, which secrete toxins, and venomous animals, which use specialized body parts to deliver their venom, such as bites, stings, or ankle spurs. Box jellyfish, including Chironex fleckeri. Box jellyfish are often regarded as one of the deadliest animals due to their association with mysterious swimmer deaths across the globe. Certain species of box jellyfish are capable of producing potent toxins that can attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells, resulting in swift and overwhelming harm. Swimmers exposed to these toxins can quickly succumb to shock, heart failure, or drowning, often without the opportunity to reach safety. Gila monster, Heloderma suspectum. Ranked among the most excruciating bites is that of the Gila monster, a venomous lizard indigenous to Mexico and the USA. Though it has not caused any fatalities, the bite is reputedly the most agonizing of any vertebrate, as one journalist recounted feeling hot lava coursing through their veins after an encounter. The venom, a relatively mild neurotoxin, is secreted in the lizard's salivary glands. Interestingly, researchers have discovered a hormone in this venom that could potentially treat type 2 diabetes in humans. Funnel web spider, Agelenidae family. The Gila monster is not the sole creature whose venom may benefit humans medicinally. The funnel web spider's venom is highly lethal to primates, including humans, but curiously poses no harm to a variety of other animals. This is attributed to the development of antibodies that can identify and nullify the toxins, a defense mechanism absent in primates. Despite its lethal nature, the venom's molecule composition may serve as a valuable treatment for heart attacks. By obstructing the cell death message, the molecule may extend the time for medical intervention and prevent further injury, as per scientific research. Cone snail, including Conus magus. At first glance, sea snail shells washed ashore may not seem deadly, but cone snails are not your average mollusk. These sea creatures reside on the ocean floor and employ a venom-filled harpoon to immobilize curious passers-by, primarily fish. Once captured, the snail ingests the paralyzed and still living prey. In the event of a cone snail sting, the venom is potent enough to result in respiratory failure, muscle paralysis, vision impairment, and even death. Scuba divers are the most common victims of cone snail stings, as they tend to handle them. Despite their harmful nature, the venom of cone snails has the potential to benefit medicine. Researchers have identified a specific toxin from one type of cone snail and utilized it to develop a non-opioid pain reliever, which is several times more potent than morphine. Furthermore, scientists are investigating other components of the venom for treating various illnesses such as Alzheimer's and epilepsy, as well as pain relief for cancer and HIV patients. However, such prospects offer little consolation to the snail's prey. Stonefish, Synanceia genus. Similar to the cone snail, stonefish are another dangerous creature that an unsuspecting swimmer may encounter. Their spotted camouflage and tendency to linger on muddy or rocky sea floors make them easy to step on. Touching the fish triggers a sting from one of their needle-like dorsal fin spines, which is excruciatingly painful and potentially deadly. However, the fish is not entirely useless. Once their venomous spines are meticulously removed, they are edible and considered a delicacy in certain Asian regions. Would you be brave enough to try it? Inland taipan, Oxyuranus microlepidotus. Talking about venomous animals, it's impossible not to mention snakes. Although the majority of snakes you may encounter are harmless, some of them are among the deadliest animals in the world. Despite the fear sharks inspire, snake bites are responsible for a considerable human toll, accounting for an estimated 200,000 deaths annually. The inland taipan is considered the most venomous snake globally, endemic to Central Eastern Australia, and its venom has the highest median lethal dose of any snake, and perhaps any animal, making it the most toxic. However, it's reclusive and rarely interacts with humans, so it's not the most dangerous snake. In terms of mortality, that title may belong to the small but aggressive saw-scaled viper. Platypus, Ornithorhynchus anatinus. Believe it or not, there are venomous mammals, and the duck-billed platypus is one of them. This unique mammal, which is one of the few to lay eggs, possesses venom-delivering ankle spurs that allow it to defend itself. Although the venom is not lethal to humans, a kick from a platypus is said to be extremely painful and is capable of paralyzing and killing smaller animals, such as dogs. It's no wonder why Winston Churchill found them so fascinating. Slow loris, Nycticebus genus. The slow loris may appear cute, but it's actually the only venomous primate known to humans. Its venom is activated when it combines an oil secreted by the brachial gland on its upper arm with its saliva. The loris licks the gland, then uses the venom as a chemical defense by rubbing it into its fur or delivering it in a bite. Researchers believe that the venom serves to ward off parasites that would otherwise invade its fur, as well as to protect against predators and as a weapon during breeding season fights with other lorises. Unfortunately, the slow loris's venom also makes it a target for mistreatment in the illegal pet trade. Animal dealers often remove the animal's front teeth to conceal the fact that it has a painful, venomous bite. Shrew, Soricidae family, including Blarina brevicauda. Indeed, cute shrews are yet another venomous mammal that can deliver a harmful bite. Unlike snakes, shrews do not use fangs to inject venom, but instead use a specialized duct located at the base of their incisors, which releases venom that flows through grooves in their teeth. This venom is potent enough to paralyze and subdue their prey. Interestingly, the venom of the northern short-tailed shrew is quite similar to that of the Mexican beaded lizard, which is a close relative of the Gila monster. Some components of the venom are being investigated for their potential use in treating ovarian cancer. European mole, Talpa europea. Staying with the subject of tiny, charming, and poisonous mammals, we introduce the unassuming European mole. Despite being renowned for leaving unsightly heaps of dirt on your lawn, this enigmatic creature is also venomous. In a similar fashion to shrews, moles employ venomous saliva to immobilize and capture their prey, mostly earthworms. This technique permits them to store their food alive and fresh for later consumption. While we may think of venomous animals as large, intimidating creatures like snakes or spiders, there are many small and seemingly harmless animals that also possess the ability to produce deadly toxins. From the venomous duck-billed platypus to the slow loris and even the European mole, these creatures are a testament to the complexity and diversity of the natural world. While their venom can be a danger to humans, it also holds potential for medicinal use and further scientific study. It is important to continue to learn about these animals and their unique characteristics in order to better understand and appreciate the fascinating world of wildlife around us. Which animal would you fear the most? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.